everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family potato salad, seasoned beets, pan-fried steaks, white rice with carrots and fresh parsley. If you want to see how I achieve all of this, I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'd like to pause right here to greet my people. Hello out there. To my members, God bless you. To my returning subscribers, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, God bless you too. You are welcome. To those of you who just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell, select all, so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to donate to this channel to keep us current, there is a super thanks button below this video. Also, there are links in the description box below. Join our membership and enjoy free perks today. God bless you and continue watching. The steaks were lightly seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now let's move on to the beets. I cleaned out the skillet a bit. Now I'm just putting them back in for the second step. Continue watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? If you're new to this channel, my name is Melda, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to tap the bell button below so that you'll be notified of every video I upload. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to our family. Thank you for watching. I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.